Give yourself 10 seconds of imagination. Generate a narration from a paragraph. 1 prompt to create an 8-second movie quality short. 2. Don't compile drafts into a website. The most important part is that it's free. Today will take 10 minutes. Let's guide you through Google AI Studio from beginner to expert. Directly turn inspiration into work. Hello everyone, welcome to AI Life Notes. Today, I will teach you how to use Google AI Studio. Let me show you how to use Google AI Studio. It becomes addictive. AI Studio is Google's one-stop AI tool. With built-in Gemini 2.5 Pro, Veo Imagen, and more. You can chat, interact in real time, and generate images, videos, voice, or even create small applications directly. Search for Google AI Studio in your browser. Log in with your Google account. The AI Studio interface may seem a bit complex at first, but once you get the hang of it, you'll find it's almost capable of anything. Google AI Studio has 4 main functions: chat, streaming, media generation, and building. Google's version of ChatGPT. You can ask any questions. It will respond immediately, and you can ask it to help brainstorm. For example, I want to turn a passage into a video script. It also supports uploading files, images, audio, video, or providing web links. Let the AI answer or summarize based on these contextual bits. On the right side of the interface, you can adjust the function, set models, and choose. You can choose different Gemini models, such as Gemini 2.5 Pro or 25/25 Pro, which is currently the most advanced version. The temperature parameter controls the creativity of the AI's responses. The higher the temperature, the more creative and random the responses become. When the grounding with Google search tool is turned on, the AI's answers will be based on the latest information from the web. The URL context allows the AI to read and understand the content of the web page links you provide. Some options cannot be changed. If you look at the overwhelming original text and feel a headache, you can try the Chrome extension for immersive translation. This is one of the best features I've seen created with AI.
What you can do.
I can do many things, like answer your questions, provide information, and even generate text. What would you like to know or talk about?
Webcam uses a web camera. Let Gemini be your eyes, and brain for interaction.
What do you see?
I see a smartphone with a Lolo notification on the screen. It has the time displayed as 10:58.
Share screen to interact. Use it to help you manage things on the screen.
How to add these numbers?
You can add those numbers using the sum function. First, click on the cell where you want the total to appear. Then type equals, sum, open parentheses, select the range of cells you want to add, and close parentheses. Finally, press enter. It looks like you've already done that.
Is it correct?
Yes, that's correct. The sum of the numbers in the selected cells is 55.
Just press like, subscribe, share, and turn on the bell. Your support is the driving force for the growth of small creators like me, and it is also the source of my continuous sharing of valuable teaching.
Recently igniting the AI world, Nano Banana, leaving everyone amazed. A picture tells it all. What do you want to modify? It will automatically make the changes. Its performance could even replace Photoshop. Using Google's latest and greatest IMG4 model, enter a text description to generate high-quality images. Set the number of images, aspect ratio, and resolution. Currently, the VR model is available in AI Studio. It can generate short videos based on text or images. It can generate 2 720p videos of up to 8 seconds each at once. Google's voice generation feature is quite good. You can hardly detect any traces of AI. The settings on the right have single mode and multi-mode. The selection interface will also vary. Acting mode, select tones. Add dialogue input.
Ready to build something awesome today?
Got a project in mind?
What do you want to explore?
Ready to make something amazing?
What sparks your interest?
What kind of masterpiece are we aiming for?
What kind of problem could we solve?
What kind of project are you thinking of?
What kind of problem could we solve?
What's a skill you'd like to develop?
What do you want to explore?
Got a project in mind?
What kind of problem could we solve?
Just press like, subscribe, share, and turn on the bell. Your support is the driving force for the growth of small creators like me, and it is also the source of my continuous sharing of valuable teaching.
Have you heard of Google AI Studio? It's this AI tool that helps you create videos and images.
Oh, that sounds cool. How does it work?
It's really simple. You just tell it what you want, and it automatically creates videos or images for you, even adding music and effects. Super convenient.
That sounds so easy. I feel like I could create professional-looking content too.
Haven't subscribed, liked, shared, or turned on the bell yet? We hope to get your support. It really helps small creators like me grow. It only takes a few seconds and a few taps to give us encouragement. Don't let us down.
Don't you have to open a bunch of websites, news pages, product pages, research reports, information, so much that your eyes go blurry? But looking at them one by one, not only is it slow, but you often miss the key points. Now with the URL context feature, just throw the link to it. The AI can automatically grab the key points, helping you organize it into a table. Summaries or reports are quick, very accurate. The plus sign in the bottom right of the dialog box is the source for obtaining information. We will use the YouTube link to demonstrate. Next, we will ask the AI to find the differences in content. The URL context feature not only captures, but can also help you compare documents, organizing the differences, and even consolidate several articles into new content. It can also analyze them. We didn't demonstrate each one, so let everyone explore. The build function is mainly for software developers. You just need to input your requirements. It will be able to create an app for you directly. Scroll down. You will see some built-in applications. We try to make a small game. If anyone has any ideas, you can come and give it a try. Google AI Studio also has a great feature. That is, it can generate subtitles. First, we click the plus sign. Upload our audio files. Then, request to generate an SRT subtitle file. Click Run. It will generate SRT subtitles. The downloaded file is a TXT file. We just need to change the file extension to SRT, and it can be used directly. Next is a super cool feature, which is music creation. Just type a few text commands. Just like conducting a virtual orchestra, you can change the genre at any time and adjust the tempo, even switch instruments. And the music flows smoothly the moment you give the cue. Instantly switch with ease. we took a walkthrough of the main features of Google AI Studio. From chatting to real-time interactions, to generating images and videos, voice, letters, and even music creation. It's really powerful. Do you find the video useful? Remember to tap your fingers. Like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And turn on the notification bell. Please leave a comment below. Share your thoughts. Every interaction you have is my motivation to keep creating.